Hey everyone! Welcome to the Stax Pro assembly tutorial video. When you take your Stax Pro out of the box, the first thing to do is remove all the packaging materials. Your Stax Pro comes with a box that includes the pedals, a quick-release skewer, a manual, hardware for the fender, a 16mm wrench for the pedals, and another box containing your Stax Pro charger. To install the handlebar, first remove the 4 screws using a 4mm Allen key. Before tightening the screws, adjust the handlebar to your desired position. Before installing the front wheel and the quick-release skewer, make sure to remove the protective plastic pieces from both sides of the wheel. Take off one end and one of the springs from the skewer. Also, remove the caliper spacer before installing the wheel. Insert the quick-release skewer from the opposite side of the disc rotor. When putting the spring back on, make sure the wider end is facing outward. Align the disc rotor with the fork, tighten it up, and always lock the quick-release skewer facing upward. Before installing the pedals, we recommend lubricating the threads with any standard lubricant. The pedals are marked left and right, so make sure to install them on the correct side. Use the included wrench to secure them firmly. To install the front fender, first remove the M5 bolt from the back of the fork using a 5mm Allen key. Attach the fender from the top front side of the fork. Secure it to both sides of the fork using the bolts and washers included with your Stax Pro. You'll need a 4mm Allen key to tighten them. Before turning the bike on, plug in the battery. To power on the bike, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. To adjust the seat on your Stax Pro, you'll need the key to unlock it.